this actually not working well in the search engine, I hate to say. Jane is all about the content writing. I'm going very hard on this because I seriously cannot understand. This is actually the game-changing software and they are actually available for free. This is not what I was expecting. This is not the infographic I want to be published on LinkedIn. So this is Jane. It's not a real person, obviously, and it's a AI corrector which they have created for content marketing, SEO, and AIO. This is a whole package. If you are going to run a blog, or if you're running a business that you really want to focus on your business, not on your content writing, and you want to hire someone to write it for you, then this AI may do it. I don't know. So let's get started. So I have signed up for the free trial account. First, I need to input my URL. I'm going to write webby.com. And afterward, it gets all information from my website, as you can see. So this is the brand title, description is here, and business sector. So business sector is a technology. There's marketing as well. Yeah, marketing will be a better way to say about my business. It says meet your new marketing team members, pick the agent you want to start working with. Jane is available as a content marketer, and there is Ella, which is planning and social marketing, so it's also available for you. And there's a Maya research and edition, which is on the way. And there's a Daniel, which is all about the ad campaigning. This is all on the way, which is coming soon. And this is a Ted, which is strategic planning. So first click on the start blogging. There are your blogs. So no blog published yet. Click on the new blog. Okay, so it is started with me. Okay, so initial blog ideas to get us started. Pick the one you want to start with or create a new direction of your own. So let's see. So this is something which I think you're going to love because it give everything. It will read everything. It's just taken a URL and it taken a bit information, for example, meta title and description, and it started suggesting these topics. So let's see about the topics: mastering speed optimization with Webby, meta magic, elevate your SEO game with expert tips, from struggling to thriving, SEO, wellness, and add your own. So guide me. If I click on the guide me, it says start every session by transforming new ideas. I don't think I need any of these because I have already done all the blogs here listed here. What I'm going to do is write about a blog I'm planning to write, or link building in 2025. So this is what I want to add. Let's see if it can actually perform the way we want. There you go. Okay, so future proof your SEO link building strategy for 20. So this will be the meta description, which is pretty standard. I think this is very, what I mean by standard, that it actually uses the ChatGPT API thing to generate some description, because of, as you can see, there's a leverage, there's AI driven, and there is evolving. So these are the traits, or I would say traits of our ChatGPT. So let's click on the next. Let's see how it actually performs. Will it actually include my internal links, and obviously add the outgoing high domain authority links, which actually Google values. So let's see. Okay, I found something interesting source that I can link it to you. Okay, so this is about the internal link, which is actually quite good. Do blog comment help SEO, which is I think good. Future proof. Okay, this will be my internal links, and this will be future proof strategies. This will be the external links. I don't want to add external links from this because this is not a high authority website, as you can see here. So I will be canceling this. And now for this, if I have to add all the internal links related to, if it's about the backlink generation, my internal links will be everything about the backlinks, right? So if I search for my website, for example here, so I would say just click on the backlinks. So there are around 10 to pages of articles that are available, and it just suggested me only one, which is I don't think it's actually what I wanted. I want this tool to go ahead with search with the related sources of my backlinks and integrate with the blog itself. Let's see. I'm going with the only one, and let's see how it actually performs. Because if I have to add every link by myself, so how I'm actually relying 100% on this tool, right? So let me go with this. Let's see how it actually performs. Okay, the minimum amount link is minimum. Okay, so it's saying a minimum amount of links is required. So let's see how to rank without backlinks. So I'm just copying this and add more, and how to get backlinks from Wikipedia, which I've posted. So let's add this, how to check backlinks in. So this will be better. Okay, so I haven't actually just copied the title here and copying the LinkedIn. Okay, there you go. So I've added some. Let's see how it actually performs, how it actually write the same. So my what I was going to write for how to build backlinks in 2025 is I have 3, 4, 5 plans already ready to write it. Let's see it can actually go in that direction, because I have outlined, for example, guest posting using ChatGPT, and there's also guest posting using AI automation. So I was going to add this in my content, which actually gonna do well in 2025. So let's see. So evolving, this is the picture it has given. This is the hiding. Okay, as we step into it, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. Okay, this is a basic introduction. So evolving of link building. So link building has come a long way since inception. Okay, so quite a history about. So it has added the source, but it's about, okay, so it has taken an excerpt from my link which I've suggested and pasted that here. So it's actually a quite good way to add internal link. Okay, so this is not a link building strategy, but anyway, and there is a conclusion. Okay, this is actually pretty basic, to be honest. If you give this to, I would say, to ChatGPT, and with the plugins installed, they have now search enabled, so they will be able to handle this type of content, I think. So I seriously not in favor of this, because it requires a lot of editing, and I cannot rely 100% solely on this particular AI agent. Okay, so this is about the quality. I'm going very hard on this because I seriously cannot understand how it actually works to solely rely on this. So I don't think you should go ahead and solely rely on this until unless if your niche actually perform well. So this is the thing. So my niche is actually very technical. So for the technical, AI is gonna break it in no time, because they are not up to date, don't have the information up to date, so they are going to break it. So if your niche is quite generic, I would say, for example, you have a dog niche, or you have a pet niche, or you have something which doesn't evolve. So technology is evolving with the time, so AI has to keep it up with all the information that is actually working right now. So it's will be very tough. So I'm going hard on this software, but if you have a niche that is actually very generic, you can go ahead. So I'm not going to copy this. So I would suggest this team, MarkeTeam, if they are using the GPT, I think they need to optimize their prompt to give better, because this unlocking, decoding, and this evaluating, these are the word of AI, and this actually not working well in the search engine. I hate to say that. It's okay, it was all about the blogging. Jane is all about the content writing, which we have already talked about. And now going forward to the next, which is GAN planning and social marketing. So if you click on the start post here, let's see. Okay, so it has a calendar, add a new post. Let's see. Okay, so this is past, so let's add the new post here. So where you like to publish your post, I would like to post on LinkedIn. So if you click on the connect here, yeah, there you go. So let me give you the continue. Okay, so it's just closed it. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, now it's creating ideas. Let's see what it has for us. Okay, I want to post a text here, a fun interactive text post asking all about your biggest web tennis challenges. So creating engaging infographics, that actually might be interesting. So if I click on the submit here, so let's see how it can actually do it. I'm waiting for the infographics, so let's see. Let's preview it. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. This is not the infographic I want to be published on LinkedIn. Anyway, you can easily do that. If you want to publish infographics on LinkedIn, you can easily do that with the help of Napkin AI. For example, if you click on the new applicant and draft with the AI, so if you have a text available with you, then you can easily do that with the Napkin. Otherwise, let the Napkin do it for you. For example, best practices for SEO audit. So if you click on run it, so it will start writing it for you, as you can see here. And now after it start writing, you can easily create an infographic so that you can actually post on the LinkedIn. So how to do that? So technical audit. So this is the main points. Until this, all you need to do is select the text, click on this flash button, and it will start creating a 10 or more infographics. As you can see here, see, this is actually the game-changing software, and they are actually available for free. And you can go ahead and select all the stylings here. You look at the stylings. So they have a link styling, they have a web styling, and they have a pentagon styling, and the list goes on, and the pillar styling as well. So the pillars of SEO audit, you can go ahead. So this is the best way to create it. And you can I suggest the MarkeTeam. The tool is actually very good if you see in the future, but I suggest the team to actually work on your output because it's very bland. I would say it may work good for the text, but I don't think this will work as my infographics. So this is about MarkeTeam, I think. So is Jane going to replace my content marketing? Absolutely not, but it may work for you. Go do try this app out. It's available free for the 7-day trial. And let me know if you have actually an alternative or any tool out there that I actually replace content writing.